I'm David Nyanjui Ngugi, and I'm a Kenyan by nationality. I'm a technician. That's my professional technician, that I deal with the satellite service, like installing for people. These are DSTV, we have Zuku, we have internet, Wi-Fi, and the rest of the things. So I would like to welcome you wherever you are. You told me you are in US. Just welcome to Turkana. This is a very nice. Kenya is a very nice place. We have like this is a Catholic church project whereby it is it's residing just aside of River Turkwel. River Turkwel in Turkana County. You can Google, get in the map. But, the water is coming from River Turkwel. This is Turkwel Gorge. This is a high hydroelectric power project where the government has put this side in Turkana, neighboring the Pokot. So, Turkana is bordering 3 countries, which is Uganda, Southern Sudan, and Ethiopia, the other end. So, where I am now, this is the best place. It's a developing area, a developing county, whereby people are still wearing the neck, how do you call this, the beads. Others are still walking naked. They don't know. The issue concerning COVID-19 to them is another issue. They don't know what is COVID-19. But now we are trying to educate them, and wherever you are, you can just join us so as we can live in peace with other people wherever they are in the world. Yeah. So I think that's enough for today. I have nothing much. If you have something much, just do it.